This is a pre-writing activity. We have laminated lines on cards. We have both horizontal and vertical lines. Since it's a laminated sheet, we can use a whiteboard marker for this activity. If you've chosen the horizontal line, make sure that you show them how to draw the line from left to right. Show them how to draw the line over the line, and then bring their attention to the fact that blue should not be seen on the white part. So let's give it another shot. Again, show the child, ask the child. You can ask the child, can you see the pen mark on the white part? If it's so, then that's not the way to do it. This is the way to do it. Once they've finished doing, you can use either a tissue paper or a damp cloth to wipe off the ink. If the ink has dried, you can always use nail polish remover for cleaning up the board. And you can reuse this sheet for as long as it is in a good condition. While using the vertical lines, make sure you insist on drawing from top to bottom and also from the left to right.